Welcome to Guitar Mageddon. We're going to go over a brand new blues lick today. I'm going to descendingly slide down to this A, string 1, fret number 5. And as I get there, I'm not going to articulate it, I'm going to bend up to it. Often in good phrasing, you approach and or exit the note cleverly. This time I'm going to descend into the A. You can hear it. You can hear, then I'm going to bend up to it there. So again, we're going to subtly hear the quiet note, but I'm not going to articulate it. I'm going to bend up to it. You may be able to fully bend all the way up to. I have to nearly break the strings on this nylon string guitar. On steel strings, you should have a little bit more radical of a pitch bend, so you'd be able to get it up there. So there, we've got a little bit more of a variation. All kinds of stuff to work with. So just to recap here, we're going to go from fret 12, the letter E. I'm going to glissando slide down to A, fret 5. Going to come into the next string, the B string, but I'm going to come in on the letter G, and I'm going to bend G up as much as I can up to A. If I can't quite hit it, which I cannot, I'm going to mimic it by bending and catching it right where it would normally land, rhythmically. Then we've got a little bit more. I would probably recommend just coming down from this G sharp up here. F sharp. You always want to end the classic phrase to tie in the creativity with some of the traditional stuff that we're used to hearing. So just a little bit of a demonstration here. From the F sharp on the 5 chord. Let the shredding begin, and remember to think in terms of phrase, not scale.